Good morning and welcome to Monday Minutes with Jesse and Kelly. I'm Kelly.
And I'm Jesse. And in this week's Monday Minutes, we are going to give you another sneak peek for 1905.
Yay, yay. Well, Jesse, we have had our What's New upgrade webinars already. We had a total of 147 participants between two webinars. So
Wow.
That's great.
That's awesome.
That's great. Yeah. And they are already up on the website recorded. So if you weren't able to see them, you still have a chance to watch a recorded webinar.
Perfect.
Yep.
So Kelly, what are we going to show today?
Today, there is so much that goes on in upgrade. I want to say there's 47 pages of release notes, and we can't show it all. So we're going to just give you a little UX display look today to show you a couple areas that might be to your morning once you get upgraded. So we're just going to show you two areas that have been changed for the better, in our opinion. The staff permission page has been remodeled maybe, and that's under the patron details under permissions. And so you can see things are bold. You can expand all. You can just expand certain areas like that. And there's a filter.
Awesome. Awesome. So if you know you're looking for, let's think of a good one for tools. How about batch?
Batch.
Deletion, modifications. You just can't remember which one it is, but you know it has batch in there. You can filter.
Yep. So it's beautiful. It definitely makes it easier to look at, I think. Everything's even more lined up.
Yep, I like it.
I like it. So
I like it too. And I like that there's a show all and hide all. Makes it real easy.
Yeah. And I always like that picture of you. It's a really good picture.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, what's our next big change we're going to look at?
Authorized values. This got really a remodel. So let's pop into authorized values. This actually is going to show all the authorized values at one go, where before it only showed you the first one, and then you had to use the drop down. So now it shows them all. It gives you a description of each authorized value, which is amazing.
This is amazing because I can't tell you how many times I've looked at these and I'm like, what is that even for? And you just can't remember.
Well, let's go down to housebound module, which has always, to me, looked like husband frequency. And now it clearly tells you it's for the housebound module.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can click the actual authorized value category. So for example, your shelving location, if you click the LOC that's in blue,
okay, you
will get your list.
Beautiful.
If you go back and you hit that add, you're actually adding a value to that authorized value.
Perfect.
But I mean, description, thank you, Koha. Thank you. Filter.
This is nice. This is really nice.
Yep. And still you can add a new category. So that hasn't changed at the top. It just gives you a nice look.
Yep. Perfect. Well, this is nice, Kelly. I think the highlight for me definitely is description.
There's a few that don't have it, so I'd be interested to get those. Maybe those were added by us. So maybe if a library creates their own, then this maybe doesn't exist in Koha. It's been created by the library.
Yeah.
Yes, that must be it.
All right. Well, excellent.
Okay.
So everyone out there, keep attending those upgrade webinars. We'll be talking more about some of the authorized value changes and permissions that you'll see. And again, check out the Bywater Solutions website. All of the on-demand sessions will be there, along with release notes, any upcoming blog posts and videos.
Yep. Thanks, Jesse. Have a great week.
Have a great week, Kelly. You too.